In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate and integrate Make with Webflow to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. By the end of this guide, you'll have a firm grasp on how to establish a connection between these two powerful platforms, enabling you to automate web design tasks efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to the Make dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page. Here you have access to all the tools and features that Make offers for creating automation scenarios. This dashboard serves as the central hub for all your automated workflows. Next, locate and click on Create Scenario, which is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. This option allows you to begin building a new automation workflow from scratch. It opens up a world of possibilities for linking your favorite apps and services, allowing them to communicate with each other seamlessly. Now in the search bar, type in Webflow. This step involves telling Make that you wish to create an automation scenario specifically involving Webflow. The goal here is to ensure that our focus aligns with the Webflow platform for all subsequent actions. Once you have typed Webflow, you'll see it listed as an option. Click on it to proceed. By selecting Webflow, you'll establish it as the central service for this scenario. This key step ensures that all the tasks and actions you create from here on out are directly connected to your Webflow projects. Now look for and click on List Sites or any other relevant option that applies to your specific automation needs. This action allows you to choose which specific aspect of Webflow you want to interact with. For this guide, choosing List Sites will enable you to access your Webflow sites directly from within Make. Moving on, you'll need to click on Create a Connection. This is where you establish the vital link between Make and your Webflow account. By creating this connection, you're authorizing Make to communicate with Webflow, ensuring that all automated tasks can be executed properly. After creating the connection, be sure to click on Save. This step is crucial as it finalizes the connection setup between Make and Webflow, storing all the preferences and configurations you have selected. Then go ahead and click on the workspace you want to access. This workspace is where your Webflow projects and resources are located. By selecting it, you're specifying the exact environment in which the automation will be carried out. Finally, you'll need to authorize the app by clicking on Authorize App. This security measure ensures that you're giving explicit consent for Make to interact with your Webflow account, maintaining both compliance and security. With everything in place, click on Save one last time. This action will ensure that all of your configurations are stored and ready to be used. Now the connection between Make and Webflow is successfully established, and you can proceed with setting up detailed automation scenarios tailored to your needs.